Nature has a habit of bringing out the best in us, and growing food in a smart garden is an awesome way to get your kids asking scientific questions about how plants grow, why they need water, why they need light, and so many different questions that even you can brush up on your knowledge. So here we have growing in this Smart Garden 3 some mini tomatoes. Miriam, please tell us what we need to keep in mind when growing tomatoes.
Well, it's actually very easy to grow tomatoes indoors in a smart garden. A few things that you really have to keep in mind is you have to thin out the seedlings if there are more seedlings sprout than one. It may need staking because of this heavy yield here. And last but not least, you have to pollinate the flowers. You have to pollinate it, otherwise the pollen can't get loose in the flower and it won't produce any of those beautiful fruits. So what you have to do is that you just need a brush that you can easily buy online. And once or twice during the week while you find these flowers appearing, you just go over the flowers and you pretend you're the bee, because you obviously don't have bees flying around your house. And if you do that once or twice during the week, you will have these beautiful fruits forming. Don't be alarmed if these yellow petals fell off, it's totally normal, as long as the rest of the flower stays intact. And you just wait until these fruits mature into deep red and they're delicious. And also you can follow the instructions on the mobile app, which is very easy to download.
Awesome. And as you may have noticed, we are growing in a limited series, Art Edition Smart Garden 3. So definitely keep a lookout for that. It's fantastic for children and for all ages if you're young at heart. A lovely, beautiful smart garden for your home. Happy growing.